Hi guys, a quick video where we will learn to compute something known as a compound annual growth rate, abbreviated as CAGR. Now, what is CAGR? CAGR is the growth rate if let's say an investment increases constantly over the period by reinvesting all the profits. Confused? Don't worry. What do we mean as? If there is an investment, all right, so that rate of return which we get for an investment, if it increases from a beginning balance to the ending balance, assuming all the profits have been reinvested during that period. Some of you might have guessed the concept. It is compounding and nothing else, right? So it gives me a constant growth rate over a period, compounded. All right. So compounded annually, let's say. So that is our compound annual growth rate. Now, how do I compute this? Now it is calculated as I take my ending balance, divided it by starting balance, raised to the power 1 divided by number of years minus 1. So if I need to replicate this formula here, so I have some revenue figures for FY1, FY2, FY3, and I need to compute a CAGR for 3 years. So how do I do it? Last year value, the ending balance, divided by the first year value, that is the beginning balance, raised to the power 1 by 3. Or not? Not 3, guys. Why? Because we are already in FY1. So 1 year and 2 years. Alright. So from FY1 we are looking. So 1 and 2. 2 years. Right? And minus 1. So what we can do is you can also put a bracket here if you are getting confused. And you get 22%. So that is how I compute CAGR. Let's do it again once more. So this will be my ending balance divided by the beginning balance raised to the power 1 by. Now starting this value, how many years? So 1 year, 2 year. So 1 by 2 and minus 1. So you get 22%. So that's how we compute CAGR, and CAGR is widely used when we are making projections and during financial modeling. So a quick video guys, do practice, and that's how you compute CAGR. See you around in the next video.